Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, I have today my iPad and of course it works for any iPad, and of course I have mine on a cool swivel just in case you're wondering. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to screen mirror my iPad, which is a A16. It works for the pros, it works for the airs, it works for the minis, and I'm gonna mirror it to a Samsung TV. All right, so this is great. For example, you want to view what's on here over on your TV. TV is running Tizen, which is the latest operating system from Samsung. All right, so it works flawlessly with Samsung TVs. So let's get into how to screen mirror. So the first thing, you're gonna swipe down from your upper right. You're gonna look for this icon here. Then you're gonna tap. Once you tap, it's gonna scan. And as you can see here, it has seen the TV, which is identified as a 32-inch FHD, which is full HD. And as you can see in the background, let me move this out of the way a bit. You can actually see this display being presented. All right, so it looks pretty nice. All right, so we can actually go ahead and control this. So if we tap and tap out, and you can actually have this in your hand wherever, and all right, so there you go. And of course, what we do here, we can simply move through. And as you can see, the TV gives a greater real estate. You can go into your photos, you can play videos, and everything will simply work. All right, so that's how to do it on your device here, which is this tablet. And of course, in order to stop the screen mirroring, in case you don't want it to go anymore, you can actually swipe down. And of course, here you show is that it's active. So you can actually tap. All right, so simply tap, and of course you can say stop. Oh, sorry about it. It wasn't showing clearly. So let me do it again. So you can simply go to the area here, swipe down. You can tap on the screen mirror icon here. Let me try to make sure you're seeing this from this angle and hit stop mirroring. And if you stop mirroring, there you go. The TV will return to normal. It's as simple as that. The screen mirror, your iPad to your TV, guys. So do definitely check that out as one of the cool features that you can do with your iPad and your Samsung TV. Do hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.